I'm diving deep into my financial goals for 2026, and I challenge you to set your own bold targets along with me. As we approach a new year, it's essential to think about what we want to achieve financially. Setting clear financial goals can be a game changer for our personal growth and stability. It's about creating a roadmap for our financial future, and I'm excited to explore this topic with you. As I reflect on my own financial journey, I've realized that many of us face similar obstacles when it comes to setting and achieving our financial goals. One of the biggest hurdles is often a lack of clarity. We might know we want to save more or pay off debt, but we don't have a clear plan. Another common challenge is motivation. It's easy to get started, but it's harder to stay on track. Distractions and procrastination can also derail our progress, and before we know it, months have passed, and we're back to where we started. Additionally, financial stress and uncertainty can make it tough to stay focused on our goals. When it comes to financial goals, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Some of us might be saving for retirement, while others might be working towards buying a home or starting a business. Prioritizing our goals is crucial, and it's essential to focus on the most important ones first. For me, saving for a down payment on a house is a top priority, while for someone else, paying off high-interest debt might be the way to go. We also need to consider our short-term and long-term goals, and make sure we're making progress towards both. Breaking down our goals into smaller, manageable steps can make them feel less overwhelming and more achievable. By focusing on one goal at a time, we can make steady progress and celebrate our successes along the way. One powerful strategy that has helped me overcome my financial challenges is the 50/30/20 rule. By allocating 50% of my income towards necessities like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment, I've been able to stay on track and make progress towards my goals. Another strategy that has worked for me is automating my savings. By setting up automatic transfers from my checking account to my savings or investment accounts, I've been able to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. It's also essential to regularly review and adjust our budgets to ensure we're on track to meet our goals. By making a few simple changes to our daily habits and financial routines, we can make a significant impact on our financial stability. As we wrap up today's conversation, I want to summarize the key points we've discussed. Setting clear financial goals is essential for our personal growth and stability. We need to be aware of common obstacles like lack of clarity and motivation, and prioritize our goals to achieve success. By using strategies like the 50/30/20 rule and automating our savings, we can overcome challenges and make progress towards our goals. I'm excited to continue this conversation with you, and I challenge you to share your own financial goals for 2026 in the comments below. If you want to learn more about budgeting and saving, be sure to check out my previous video on budgeting tips. It's packed with actionable advice to help you take control of your finances.